Hello developers, welcome to my channel Only Developer. Here we are going to learn about Java programming language. There are a lot of programming languages available in the internet and like .NET, Python, Java, but we are going to learn Java here. And why we should learn Java, because Java in past Java was used a lot, and in present it is also being used. And there are new frameworks also in Java like Spring Boot, which makes even more easier, which we are going to learn in future, of course. And Java is very fast, robust, secure. For which Java is a very evergreen. You can also say Java is very evergreen language. No doubt about it also, because it was used in past, it is being used in present, and in future we are also going to use it. If you want to build your career in software development, you using Java, you can build it in a very perfect way. Why should you join this course? Because we are going to learn everything from basic to the advanced, and I will think like I am going to teach a fresher, so that I will start from the basic and we will go to the advanced level also. We are going to cover every topics with example. Example means we are going to do programmings or codings. Basically, you can say we are going to do a lot of codings, and I will guide you step by step with a very easy way and effective manner. If you have any doubt, you can also ask me in the comment section, and there will be small exercises which I am going to give you after doing some codings or any programs. Whenever I teach you, after that I'm going to give you some small exercises. And and yes, major topics which we are going to cover are like how to start with Java, because there are a lot of students which don't know how to write a code, and why we are going to use semicolon, why we use this syntax in Java, why it is different in other languages. Like everything we are going to learn here, all the basic topics I will cover, like operator, input output, conditional statement like if, switch, loops like for loop, while loop, do while loop, arrays, methods and functions, object oriented programming. And in object oriented programming there are four topics like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation and abstraction, which we are going to learn everything in the future also. Now of course we are going to learn everything. And I will also teach you JDBC. JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity. Here what we are going to do, like we will connect database. We are using MySQL for the database, and using Java, how we will connect it to the database. We are going to learn about that. And after connecting, how we will perform the CRUD operation, that I am also going to teach you. And that's it.